guys, welcome back to my channel, and we're here to have lunch at Fish & Co. in Paragon. So, who's with me again?
Hello! Hello!
Jampuan pa.
Hello! Wow! May isa pa akong ganito, Bob. And he's watching the
Cocomelon. Ayan na po, umiyak na po siya.
umiyak na po.
And of course, tada! Belated happy birthday. Buong month of May talaga. Okay, so we have here the mango apple drinks. I don't know, tropical drinks. The strawberry, lychee. And the lychee, kung ano na yung mga nasasabi ko dito. Name ng drinks. Hindi ko na alam. Ang sarap ng drinks na to. Look guys, meron siyang fresh mango at the bottom. And then, fresh apple on the top of it. Ang sarap niya.
Wala masabi ko sa
Puro ka nalang mura saan.
Lalamig na. Wala mo na.
Second round. Of course. Yun na naman. Walang reaction. Okay.